Hello friends, let's crochet together a little strawberry like this mini carrot or like this mini apple. I have yarn-out jeans and gazelle baby cotton and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and 4 single crochets into it. 2, 3 and 4. Pull the thread and in the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. Then in the second round we make increase in the first stitch, a single crochet in the second, increase in the third stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. In the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain like this. Then we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next stitch and repeat increase, 1 single crochet, increase and 1 single crochet. And in the third round we have 9 stitches, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 1 single crochet, 2, and in the third stitch we make increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. The next round we make increase and then 1, 2, 3 single crochets, increase, 1, 2 and 3, increase, 1, 2 and 3, a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. Then 1 single crochet, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and 1 single crochet and the second one, a slip stitch and a chain. As you can see, we make 3 increases in each round. And go on. In the next round we make 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets and increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, increase, a slip stitch and a chain. And we have 24 stitches in the round. And in the next round we crochet without changes, 24 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 23 and 24. And now we will make 6 decreases in each round. 1, 2, decrease, 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 a slip stitch and a chain. And we have 18 stitches in the round. In the next round we make decrease and 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet and repeat till the end of the round. One more time, decrease and a single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. And now we should add fiber fill inside the toy. And in the last round we make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, a chain, leave the long end on the thread, take a needle and close the hole for the front sides of the last round of the stitches in the last round. Pull the thread and hide the thread inside the strawberry. Make like this for several times. And hide inside. And now let's make the green part. The first loop and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. And then we make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slip stitches. And in the last stitch we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a slip stitch in the first stitch like this. This part should be in the center. And now we make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and then we make a slip stitch, a single crochet, and another one single crochet and a slip stitch in the next loop. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a single crochet, a single crochet again, a slip stitch in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a single crochet, and again a single crochet and a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, single crochet, another one, a slip stitch, and repeat till the end of the round. Then we pull the thread to the back side make a chain and cut the thread with the long end to sew this part to the strawberry. And then we can also make little black stitches. Like this. And we have such a cute strawberry. I will write the pattern in the description, and also I will leave the links for this carrot and apple. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.